Now, as more Oklahoma towns have water quality issues, we are learning about how PFAS may be to blame.
Let's go to Fox 25's David Chazanoff. He spoke with the Department of Environmental Quality. And David, what'd you find out?
Adam and Wendy, Shelley Chard with the DEQ tells me there are thousands of PFAS chemicals. Experts are still researching the impacts this may have, but early results aren't encouraging.
It's ubiquitous. It's everywhere.
Shelley Chard with the DEQ says PFAS compounds are used in things like firefighting, clothing, and makeup.
So we know we're seeing it much more than we have before, but we're certainly looking for it much more than we ever have before.
It can also be found in our water supply.
These compounds we're monitoring in the 4 parts per trillion range. So it's very small amounts.
But even a small amount could cause health problems.
You could have impacts to increased cancer risk. You could have impacts to reproduction.
It can also reduce the effectiveness of some vaccines. But Chard says people can still do their part to stay safe.
Making smart choices and looking at ingredients to determine if there are any of these PFAS compounds in the materials that we're buying every day.
As an agency, the DEQ participates in the federal drinking water monitoring process called the Unregulated Contaminant Monitoring Rule 5, which examines nearly 30 PFAS compounds.
Most of Oklahoma's drinking water systems are participating in that. And I can tell you we've only had 2 systems so far that have showed above detection levels, and they're both in northeastern Oklahoma.
And according to Chard, the cities of Broken Arrow and Nowata have just a smidge more PFAS chemicals in their water. Reporting live in Oklahoma City, David Chazanoff, Fox 25 News.